Hi, get your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Hi, ke bathandi bomkosi. Ubudweni Black Coffee amazed or rather shocked his fans once more. So he was interviewed by Umek G bathandi bomkosi, and the question that he was asked was that does he think or rather believes Uguti infidelity was actually the cause for his marriage to end? The way this man answered, I was shocked throughout the entire episode. So basically, Black Coffee mentioned that he does not actually think that it was the cause because growing up, he knows that a man can never have one person allegedly, and also that cheating is a norm. And bebamthume mncane ukuthi uyokhulumisa ama-side chick or something in those lines. I mean, what the hell? What the hell? So he's justifying cheating and calling it a norm. From where I am standing and what other friends were saying, but cheating is a choice. He made a choice to cheat, and then he's calling it a norm. And in adding to that, what is the current girlfriend saying about Kosim when the boyfriend is saying these things in broad daylight? I mean, like Gukanya, Uguti cheating to him, it's a norm. It means that he's still going to cheat and he's probably cheating. Yes, he might be posting you on social media, he might be clothing or showing you off, but he's still doing things behind the back because cheating to him is a norm. I still can't believe that a grown man was saying all of those things. Please do leave your comments down below. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.